Just Adam Sandler.
This is a song about Elmo. Well, I don't mean to cabel, no. But Elmo here can write his name, and soon he'll learn to spell. When he's at the beach, he always finds a shell. Elmo's favorite game is the farmer in the
Do you like Elmo? Do you like Elmo? Yeah? Dang, he's my friend, isn't he? Yeah!
Maybe I can shed some light on the subject.
Wow! It's the sun! The sun is bright.
I sure am. I am the brightest thing you will see in the sky. I shine and light everything up.
Boy, the sun does a great job, too.
Thank you. And when I